another rental on a Sunday afternoon.
Monday.
Oh, Monday afternoon. Yeah, today's Columbus Day. So a lot of businesses are closed. And we are finally in here now that the tenant moved out, because I asked them to move because they had illegals living in here. And also they just kept damaging our house. So I'm going to be taking this door apart that was broken, and they stapled it up. So I'm going to be taking that all apart and gluing it back together like it's supposed to be, because this is a perfectly good door. And this door that is so cheap for mobile homes costs probably about $80. This is a probably 24-inch. Then over here, this is what everything looks like underneath, where the water was leaking for quite a while. You don't get this much of extensive subfloor damage if it was leaking for one day. This is all soggy and falling apart, so this was leaking for quite a while. You see Steve's putting his foot right through it. So he's going to be doing this, trying to combat a lot of different things as much as we can today. How easy that is for him to pull it. That's what he's doing. So he's going to be doing that. And I'm going to be fixing doors in here. And I took the grill down so I can do this at home. Clean it up. Get all the rust off of it. I forgot to bring my bug spray. This one's going to need a lot of it, because he wants to be on camera. But I started taking the door apart and there was a bunch of roaches in there, and I do not like roaches. Roaches, is that another one right there? I don't like roaches. They're the worst. I can handle spiders and everything else. I just don't like roaches. So I'm gonna get back to this and put it back up. It's gonna have to dry for 24 hours, but all the way around I'm gonna have to re-glue this and clamp it. I wanted to show you how filthy this is. That even though we tell tenants they need to take it out every couple of weeks and brush this off to keep their electricity down, their units running more efficiently, they pay attention. And Steve's up there bracing, took out this much subfloor, and he's done bracing that. We'll pop one on top. Good to go. There's the old stuff. I've been over here working on doors. I put duct tape for now to hold it together because I don't have any more clamps. But it won't stick on there. But it'll, this one wasn't as bad. I didn't have to take it down. But this one, I had to take it down, take all the staples off. And it's going to sit here like this for a day, so it can dry really good. And it'll be ready to go after that. And I have to come and fix that. I'm going to go around and take some pictures of some things that I need to do in here. Okay, we are done. It's nice and solid. No more falling through the floor over here. We just stretched it and put it back. And it's good to go. Just needs a nice good shampoo job in here. All the rooms do. I'll let that sit for 24 hours. I'll just call it a day. I've been cleaning the window units, checking all the lights. The light bulb up there was bad, so I'm gonna clean the covers. And little by little, we probably get this house done in a couple of days.